Hi guys, welcome back. This is Dakota here with Planer Mom to 5 Boys on Instagram. Today we're going to be setting up my on-the-go planner. It's kind of like a PP Weeks. This came in the Planner World seasonal subscription box, and it also came with the wallet, which I was super excited about. I am going to use this lovely one-page kit from Nashsprintworks. The link will be in the description box, and I believe with my coupon code for 30% off, this makes this kit, I think, $1.25. Don't quote me on that. It's around $1-ish if you use the 30% off. So yeah, I'm just trying to get everything straight. I'm still having trouble figuring out how to plan in this planner and keeping the pages open so that they're not flopping back and forth. So I do not like how this planner is set up. It goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I like them to go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on the top, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday on the bottom. It just what flows better for me. I'm like, go straight across the top and straight across the bottom, not one page and then the next page. Hopefully that makes sense. But again, I'm just putting some headers on here. Now in this planner, I always use headers just because I said I like to have my days set up differently than when it's set. And you guys will notice I can never put stickers on straight. So the good thing about Nash's stickers, as long as you don't press down really hard, they are easy to take up once or twice. Even though they're not removable stickers, so to speak. So yeah, that looks a lot better. And that clip up there, if you guys can't read it, it says planners and stickers. Oh, what does it say? Planners and stickers and washi. Oh my, yeah. Sorry, I thought I was saying that wrong. But that's awesome from Nash. Again, I'm just putting up some more headers. So let me know if you guys have this subscription box. This was the first time I've gotten it. I don't know if I'm going to get it again. I got a lot for the value. It's just, I'm not seeing a whole lot of like posts about what the next sub box will be. And yeah, I like having a little bit of surprise elements, but I want to know that I'm going to get my money's worth. So yeah, if you guys do it regularly, I think it's 4 times a year, let me know. So I might sign back up again. And then my pens over there, that's a pentagram. And then I have an Xbox knife. See you guys what I'm talking about. My clip comes out and then I can never hold my pages open while I'm planning this planner. Even though I love this type of planner. And when it's over with, I will probably get a Printpressions. I've been stalking his website. And he also has a YouTube channel if you guys aren't familiar. But I've been stalking his website and I'm probably going to just order an actual Printpressions. And hopefully I can find a way to keep that open while I'm planning. I know people say that like once you get planning long enough with it, you can, the pages will stay open. I think the problem with this, it's not a hardback. It's like a soft cover. And it's only got 6 months at a time. So time you get it to where it's really going to stay open is going to be time for you to get another one. So I'm just adding some washi strips down here at the bottom. I always use washi in this planner just because I don't like to use a whole lot of stickers. Because it is in my purse and I do just write down like notes. Or if I'm at a doctor's appointment, I will write down like follow-up appointment on this day. So a lot of the information I put in here, I transfer over. So I'm not really worried about having a lot of decorations, so to speak, or a lot of pretty stickers. This is more of a functional planner for sure. I will be switching this planner out for a pocket planner that I'm waiting for some inserts to come in. Yeah, so here, that washi strip didn't go all the way through because it is made for the Printpressions, and since this isn't a true Printpression planner, I did have to add some other washi, but I thought this black would really make the blue pop a little bit. And I got this washi from Walmart. It's like a no-brand washi, but I love it. I also got this silver, but I've already used this silver, so. And if you guys know where to get a really good X-Acto knife or a knife to cut washi, let me know, because I like this one. I got it at Joann's, but it seems that I can never get it to work right. And then I will take the blade out, I'll tighten it up, and then the blade constantly falls out. I know it's probably operator's error, but I kind of want something that's a lot simpler to use. And maybe something that doesn't have like an interchangeable blade. So just drop your suggestions in the comments below. I'm always open to it. Like I said, I've looked, I'm just not sure. I did look at the slice tool, and that may be where I go with it. Sorry guys, my head gets in the way a little bit here, but I'm trying to get that washi to line up right. And there goes my clip again. And now that clip stays on pretty well in my happy planers. It's just like in this planer where it's always moving, it kind of falls off here and now and then. And guys, please excuse my nails. With the boys, and we're constantly going and doing things, I can't even remember the last time I got my nails done, to be honest. I never had enough time. And then I'll think about, oh, I want to stop. And then there's always like 50 million other things for me to do. So I don't end up stopping. So my nails always look horrible. So I'm not sure what I just did there. Oh, I'm getting the washi again. Just using my X-Acto knife. Sorry guys, this kind of got out of the frame a little bit. And I didn't notice it, but all I'm doing is putting that black washi tape down again and just cutting it. Alright guys, I'm going to speed this up and play some music because I really have trouble with this washi. I'm awful at laying things straight, but I also have OCD, so it takes me forever. So just sit back and enjoy, and I'll be back when I get this washi done. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I'm just looking at this sheet to try to figure out how I want to put everything. Now I am a white space planer, so I love a lot of white space. Like I said, this is a very functional planer for me, so I plan to just use it very functionally. And this is how I got it set up last week, so I was just checking to make sure there's nothing that I want to incorporate for this week. Again, I'm having trouble keeping it open. So let's see, I think I'm going to place the weekend banner and then go from there. Again, I always have trouble placing my stickers. Sorry guys, I know this is super annoying, I keep taking it up. But I have seen that people place their stickers on wax paper so that they can move it around and decide exactly where they want it to be before they put it in their planner, which I think is an amazing idea, and I need to start doing that. So again, I'm just looking through this. I'm trying to figure out and also look and see what appointments I have or what days I'm working. So I'm just looking for some decor pieces. Like I said, this planner, I like it to be functional, but I also want my planners to look pretty, of course. So I'm just going to lay down a couple of pretty stickers and then go from there. Alright guys, the next thing I'm going to do is just place some washi strips underneath my date covers, and I decided to go down towards the bottom instead of underneath the actual date. I thought that this looked better and it lined up a little better. I'm just alternating the colors, and then I decided it didn't look so good and I went back at the top. Like I said, you guys, I'm awful at moving my stickers around. That's why I love that her stickers, even though they're not per se removable stickers, I can still remove them with ease. As long as you guys are gentle with them, I don't think you'll have a problem with wanting to remove a sticker. So then the next item is, I'm deciding whether to put these fuller boxes down. for the days that I do actually have stuff going on. But like I said, I like this to be functional, so I didn't know whether if I should put these or not. And then I decided to go for it. That box is so cute, guys. It has little penguins and it says Happy Holidays. And up here I'm just putting like this week and to do just little like headers so that I can jot down a couple more notes or make sure that I get something done. Look at that penguin, you guys. He's so stinking cute. Let's see. What else am I going to put up here? So I'm just going to put these little boxes so I have somewhere to write and just add a little bit of decoration and still be functional. Again, here I am moving those stickers around after I've already placed them. I'm horrible at doing that.
You can't see me right now.
Sorry if you guys can hear the boys talking in the background. They're home from school and they're just running around the house, and I'm trying to get this done for you guys. Now I'm just adding a little bit of more deco pieces to the date covers. I'm loving how this turns out. I think this is like one of my favorite spreads in this, is because I love the color blue, even though it's not my favorite. Pink is, but I just loved how it turned out. Now I know Fridays are busy because I don't work on Fridays, so that's why I wanted to put that checklist down there so that I actually have a lot of things to get done. So I wanted to make sure I have a room to write it all down. And again, I always have trouble putting the stickers straight. I need a sticker that says, I'm that crooked sticker girl. So I do work Monday through Thursday. I am an in-home nurse. But this week I'm not working on a Tuesday. So these scripts and the Mom Life scripts all come from Nashsprintworks. And again, that description will be in that link will be in the description below. Sorry guys. So I'm just flipping through my sticker binder. This is how I got my stickers laid out. I do have a video. It's a short one. I can pop up a card up for you guys if you want to check out exactly how I have my sticker binder set up. And then I'm going to put this to port in up there. We have a really big appointment for our foster son that day, so that's why I needed that important sticker, just to make sure that I have everything written down. Again, he has another appointment Wednesday that we can't miss, so I just wanted to go ahead and make sure that that's in there. So, I'm just trying to figure out if I should go ahead and start writing in it, or if I should wait. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait. But this is pretty much how this layout turned out. Again, I'm messing with that sticker. And here's what you guys all been waiting for. This is how the final layout worked out. I did decide not to put any ink on there just because there are some important stuff that for our foster son that I can't show on here. But that's it, you guys. If you like this, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Bye, you guys.